Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
In this video, I am going to share latest job openings in Mandsaur location. It is from Madhya Pradesh. Let us see what are the job openings in detail. Firstly, there is a job opening for technical officer position. It is from AU Small Finance Bank. For this position, like the candidates with relevant qualifications like BTech in civil engineering will be preferred. And for this position, you are going to get a salary from 1.9 to 2.1 lakhs per annum, plus incentives plus conveyances will be there. Interested candidates, if you are eligible for this position, you can share your resume to the provided mail IDs. Next one, there is a job opening for branch admin and operations position. It is from Housing Finance Bank. For this position, you should have graduation in BCom and 1 to 2 years of experience will be preferred. And for this position, you are going to get a salary up to 15 to 20,000 per month. Coming to the next one, there is a job opening for branch credit manager position. It is from IFL Housing Finance Limited. For this position, you must have graduation or post-graduation or MBA, and you must have experience in affordable housing industry and local geographic experience, and male candidates will be preferred for this position. Interested candidates who are eligible for this position, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. Moving to the next one, there is a job opening for medical representative. It is from Salazar Group. For this position, you must have 2 to 5 years of experience in this field, and you are going to get a salary up to 10k plus allowances will be there. Interested candidates who are eligible for this position, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. Next one, there is a job opening for asset operation manager and operation executive positions. It is from AU Small Finance Bank. For these positions, like the candidates should be experienced in home loan or loan against property, business loan or vehicle loan or two-wheeler loan or working capital products. Interested candidates who are eligible for this position, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. Moving to the next one, there is a job opening for business executive position. It is from Adani Electricity Mumbai Limited. For this position, you must have minimum 1 year of experience in mortgage product. Next one, there is a job opening for credit manager position. It is from AU Small Finance Bank. For this position, you must have experience in home loan will be preferred. That's it in this video, guys. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members who are in need of job. And if you have any queries, please comment in the comment section. And please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.